Coconut milk is one of the easiest naturally sweetened milks to make. Let me show you my recipe for coconut milk. I'm Nora Day. Coconut milk is a really great alternative to either goat's milk or cow's milk. And this coconut milk can be used just like you would those milks in any kind of thing that you're baking. Can be used as milk for your cereal and can be used also for just a glass of milk. I love coconuts, so coconut milk is really a wonderful alternative for me. You can buy these Thai coconuts, and these Thai coconuts are the ones that I use for the milk. So these Thai coconuts I get at my local health food store, and they also have Thai coconuts at pretty much any Asian health food store that you can find as well. So I want to share with you the easy recipe for coconut milk. All I do is I take the water out of my Thai coconut and I use the meat. The meat is the white, fleshy, sweet part of the coconut. All I do is pour the water and the meat, blend it together, and that is my coconut milk. One more time, how easy is this? All it is the coconut water and the coconut meat blended together in the blender. And this is what I get. I get beautiful, rich, creamy coconut milk. So let's give this a try because I love my coconut milk. Look at that. Wow. The other reason I really love coconut milk is there's nothing added. I don't need to add anything to make it more tasteful, more delicious. This is 100% coconut milk. Let's try it. Oh. I've died and gone to heaven right now. This is amazing. I hope you make your coconut milk at home. You will be so happy that you made your own fresh homemade coconut milk.